back to the STEM learning series on BAM Visions. I hope that you've been keeping safe and enjoying my videos so far. Thank you to all my subscribers and viewers for your love and support. Did you know that the first Oscar awarded to filmmakers and actors was made out of gold-plated bronze? Placing is used to prevent corrosion and also give objects a hard-wearing surface. Also, it's used to decorate objects with more attractive metal. I hope this video gives you some understanding about copper plating and also about copper reactions. Before going to that, I'm so happy to reintroduce our participant Kavya to you all today. She'll be showing us the two different copper reaction experiments. I'm looking forward to watch her do both the experiments with you all. Over to you, Kavya. Good luck.
Hello, I'm Kavya, and today we're going to talk about copper reactions. This is what we need for the experiment. Distilled vinegar, table salt, a paper tissue to wipe off any mess, 10 copper-coated coins, and a glass. Let's start the experiment. First, put 10 copper-coated coins into the glass. Next, pour the vinegar until it covers all the coins. Finally, add half a teaspoon of salt to your mixture. Now wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can see that the coins have turned shiny. The copper coins are originally shiny. When they come in contact with air, copper reacts with oxygen in the air to make copper oxide. This makes the coins dull. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which has hydrogen in it. When we drop the coins in the vinegar, the oxygen from the coins and the hydrogen from the vinegar combine to make water, leaving shiny coins. For the second experiment, we will need the same vinegar solution and 2 steel nails. Put the 2 nails in the vinegar solution. After about 20 minutes, you will see that they have changed color. After 20 minutes, we can see that the nail has changed color. This is because steel is made of iron. The iron atoms get dissolved in the mixture, while the copper atoms get attached to the nail. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Wow, I really like your shiny coin and copper plating experiment. The chemical reaction happened so quickly, and watching the color changes in both experiments was so amazing. Also, what I liked was that Kavya presented it in a clear and engaging way, which made it interesting to watch. Very well done, Kavya. Don't miss out to watch another copper reaction experiments on the test and tweak section. As part of the test and tweak, I'm going to make copper chloride, which is blue-green in colour. Firstly, soak the paper towel with some vinegar. Next, place your 2 coins on top. And finally, get your salt and add some to the top. Leave it and check after 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is what it looks like. Wow, you can see the blue-green colour of the copper chloride. Now you can take a closer look. Over here you can clearly see the blue-green copper chloride. Now let me explain the science behind it for all 3 experiments. In the shiny coins experiment, the vinegar and salt strip the copper oxide coating off the coins. Let's see how. In the early stage of the reaction, there's the pure copper, which is at the bottom and is in a bronze colour. And then there's a copper oxide, which is mixed with copper atoms and oxygen atoms, which are red. When you add the vinegar, it releases hydrogen ions in the water. In the later stage of the reaction, only the pure copper is left on the surface of the coin, and some of the copper dissolves in the solution, as you can see all around here. The oxygen then joins with the hydrogen ions and creates water. Now I'm going to explain the science behind the second experiment, copper plating. The blue circles are the iron atoms on top of the surface of the nail. Some of the iron breaks away and dissolves into the solution, just like the copper did in the previous experiment. And finally, the copper atoms from the solution attach to the nail surface, giving it a copper plating. Now I'm going to explain the science behind the third and final experiment, making copper chloride. The bronze circles are copper atoms and the green circles are chlorine atoms. The solution contains chlorine atoms from the dissolved salt. Chlorine and copper atoms combine to form copper chloride. Now I will explain the science around us. Electroplating uses particles with positive ions or negative ions to stick one metal to the surface of another. Today, the Academy Awards or Oscars are cast from a dull grey metal called Britannium, but sparkle once they are electroplated with a layer of 24 karat gold. For making all these experiments, we used Robert Winston's Science Lab and Robert Winston's Science Experiments book. It was great to gain a good understanding on copper reactions and real-world use of plating. A special thanks to Kavya for putting a lot of effort in doing her experiments. I appreciate your interest. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Also, I'd recommend you to watch my earlier STEM videos, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. Like Kavya, you can also participate in my future STEM episodes by sharing a video for me to post on this channel. Please like and subscribe to Bouncy Visions to show your support. I'll see you all in a STEM video next week. Have a good day everyone. Bye!